Okay, welcome again. Today we'll be working on how to do basic Excel calculation. So this one is just how to do basic calculation, and we'll be working with multiplication today. So these are a list of a product that someone want to buy, like let's say a company want to buy a set of products like laptop, table, chair, television, projector, like and so on, and then they want to use Excel. So it's very easy to make use of Excel to calculate it. What we just need is to what? Multiply one of them, and then we copy it down. It's going to do everything we want it to do. Okay, so here we have the company want to buy 12 pieces of laptop, and each of the laptop costs 450,000. We just need to do equals to. Whenever I want to do calculation, our formula must start with equals to. That's when Excel will understand that we want to do calculations. So we have to start with equals to. Then we can select the cell here, times. We use asterisk, that is our times, and then we'll click on this again, and then we'll press enter. 5,400,000. So that is the price. So instead of us doing the same for the other values, what we just do is click on this square box. We click on it down. You see, it calculates everything down. So we don't need it here. So we delete this part. So what Excel does, it calculates everything down. So, and that's what it does. So you can see 11 times 20,000. So we can highlight this so that we can put a comma. Then we'll click on this to put those comma value. Nice. When we are doing 1,000, you see, that's added. You see 450,000. 11 times this will give us 220,000. 20 times this will give us. So Excel understands that when we multiply this and this together, and then it gives us the answer, we drag it down, or we double click it, it understands that we want to do this times this, this times this, this times this. So Excel understands everything easily. And then if we want to sum everything up together, we just highlight everything. We highlight everything, and we can either click on sum. This, you see this button, we'll click on it, sum. It calculates the value of everything at once. It calculates the value of, okay, let's say something. I want this to be just normal. No bother here. Yes. So to make this one like is total, we can just come here. We'll see here to make it look like, okay, the total value. Then we can come here to do something of this nature. Bottom border, yeah. So we have it, and then that's as simple as that. We finish calculating. Then if you have 1 billion of these items, easily Excel calculates it, and that's all. That's how to do calculations in Excel. Simple and straightforward.